हेलो एवरीवन, मैं उम्मे अमर। आप देख रहे हैं एशियन टीवी न्यूज़ बैंगलोर से। दोस्तों, आज हम यलहंका के करीब जो अग्रहारा लेआउट है वहां पर आज हम मौजूद हैं। आज हम अग्रहारा लेआउट के DX मैक्स सिनर्जी अपार्टमेंट में मौजूद हैं और यहाँ पर एक अच्छी बात यह है कि यहाँ के अपार्टमेंट वाले सारे फ्लैट्स वाले मिलकर यहाँ पर दशहरा यानी कि आयुधा पूजा बड़ी जोरों शोर के साथ यहाँ पर सेलिब्रेट किया जा रहा है। और आज हमारे साथ यहाँ पर नटराज सर और उनके दोस्त भी मौजूद हैं। दोस्तों, यहाँ पर एक अच्छी बात यह है कि DX मैक्स सिनर्जी अपार्टमेंट में यहाँ पर जो दुर्गा कमेटी है उसके एक जनरल सेक्रेटरी यहाँ पर आज हमारे साथ मौजूद है। इनसे भी आज हम बात करने वाले हैं। बात करते हैं, आइए जानते हैं।
Since last 3 years, we are celebrating. This is the third year of Durga Puja. We are celebrating in DSMAX Synergy with the help of all the residents.
In this Ayudha Puja celebration, what all you do? Like क्या क्या करते हैं आप?
In the celebration, we are calling the Ma Durga, and the Ma Durga is coming to his parents' house. Basically, her parents' house, and we are celebrating this as a Durga Mahotsav, Sharadiya Mahotsav. This is a 5 days puja. First is Shashti, then Saptami, then Ashtami, then Navami, and in the Dashami we are giving the immersion to Durga Puja. And 5 days we are doing morning, evening puja, arti, prasadam, and in addition to that, we are organizing some social, evening, cultural programs. Everything it includes.
What all programs you actually are organize?
First day we had Garba, Dandiya, and followed by in the second day we had Shankh Nach by all the ladies of the Synergian. And today we have got the musical night, which is already on. You might have seen that. And it has been actually, basically, I would like to thank our Mr. Shastri sir, who is staying here only. He is the DSMAX official. It is his great help, and we all together we made this puja a successful one.
And what you would like to say, sir?
No, this all credit goes to him because from last 1 month, Jagdish sir or Dono, but they have struggled like anything to make all together, and they have performed the puja. It is very nice. All 5 days, the puja was celebrated very nice, and it should be continue like this only. And I thanks all the synergians who are supported for the puja.
जो फ्लैट के रेजिडेंट्स हैं उनके रिस्पांस क्या है?
The response is quite nice, and the thing is that conducting a Durga Puja is very difficult in the sense that all these things has been, the Durga idol has been coming with the artist is from Calcutta. He prepares it, and the clay is also coming from the Calcutta. So he is preparing this idol and Durga idol, and there is invariably in the Durga pandal there will be another followed by another puja, that is called Lakshmi Puja. So on 6th you will be having a Lakshmi Puja also here. The response from the this residents are quite encouraging, excellent. They are all cooperated. Not only local people, all people. They are supporting. Without their support, it will not be possible for conducting such a puja and conducting 5 pujas for 5 days. And all the puja, actually it requires huge monetary support also. They all wholeheartedly they have supported it. The resident credit goes to the residents, and they are really enjoying this puja.
आपका मैसेज क्या रहेगा सर?
It is a message to all the Synergian. Keep continue supporting us financially as well as physically, attending the puja and taking participation in every respect, and encouraging all the committee members to do the next year puja, and it should be continued forever, so that Ma Durga keep coming to us, and we should accept Ma Durga as our daughter. And we celebrate the Durga Puja for 6 days with the help of all the residents. It is a matter of great pleasure for us to have a Durga Puja in a big society, and everybody enjoyed, everybody's support is there. You might have seen everyone, this includes child, lady, everyone has enjoyed this kind of program and puja. Thanks to all the Synergian and all the and those committee members who took restless effort. This includes Mr. Jagdish Chandra Das, I'm the General Secretary, Mr. Jayant Bhattaji, and all other residents, Mr. BK Barun Kumar De, and other committee members. This all restless effort makes it successful. And overall, this total support as a financially and physically and morally by Mr. Nataraj Shastri, who is the DSMAX official of them. It is a matter of great pleasure for us.
थैंक यू सर। दोस्तों, जिस तरह से हमने अभी बात की है इन सब यहाँ के जो रेसिडेंट्स हैं DX मैक्स सिनर्जी के, बहुत अच्छी बातें बताई है पूजा को, आज की पूजा को लेकर। और इसके साथ साथ इन्होंने ये भी बताया कि आज यहाँ पर एक को करिकुलर एक्टिविटीज बच्चों के लिए और कल्चरल प्रोग्राम भी यहाँ पर ऑर्गेनाइज किया गया है, जैसे कि हम आपको बता रहे हैं। और दोस्तों, ये बहुत अच्छी बात है कि फ्लैट में सारे रेसिडेंट्स एक होकर एक फैमिली बनकर यहाँ पर जो प्रोग्राम किए जा रहे हैं, वाकई में वो बहुत ही बेहतरीन है, लाजवाब। मैं आगे की जानकारी से जुड़े रहने के लिए देखते रहिए
वॉइस ऑफ बैंगलोर।